apple fritter pies.
Holy fuck, I can't believe I got you doing the dishes today.
Hello.
Holy shit, Grandma!
Hello, how's it doing?
Holy shit!
My name's Granny
Oh
Cole.
my god!
I'd like to meet you. I got some things for sale.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. You gotta tell me what you got to say.
You want to know what I got to sale? I got a pocket full of change.
Oh,
I'll sell you from 45 cents, from 48 cents to the 45 cents.
that's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Holy crap.
I can't, what else I got? I also got a nice pair of boobies. You want to buy some of this, ass?
Oh my god.
The party's going down to my underwear.
Grandma, you got a whole lot of ass to sell to give up.
I got
tell
a
you
pussy
that
on me like a gutted salmon.
much. A gutted salmon.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing smoother than a gutted
Ain't
salmon.
nothing smoother
Other
than
than
a
the
gutted
bones
salmon.
coming against your skin and cutting you
Oh,
open
yeah.
and giving you 6
I got a
stitches
bush
across your
thicker than
shaft.
the
Other
Amazon
than that, I
jungle.
don't know what I'm talking about. You got some teeth hanging out of your mouth.
I got some teeth hanging out of my mouth. That's all the better to fucking talk with.
You know what? All the better to fucking tickle me with a little bit. You know what
Why
I
don't
mean?
you let
If
it go? I'll
just
kiss
a
on the
little
lips.
bit up and down. You
Eh?
know what I'm talking about in my eyebrow.
I don't
and
go for
got a
too
little
much
bit
an
of
hour.
like just getting up and down like that.
Give me a kiss on the cheek. That's sensual.
Give me another one, Grandma. That's what I like.
Yeah.
That was really cute.